بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
والشمس وضحاها.
By the sun and its heat and brightness.
والقمر إذا تلاها.
And by the moon as it follows it.
والنهار إذا جلاها.
And by the day as it displays the sun's glory.
والليل إذا يغشاها.
And by the night as it envelops the sun.
والسماء وما بناها.
And by the sky and by him who made it.
والأرض وما طحاها.
And by the earth and by him who stretched it out.
ونفس وما سواها.
And by the soul and by him who perfectly proportioned it.
فألهمها فجورها وتقواها.
And imbued it with the consciousness of its evil and its piety.
قد أفلح من زكاها.
He who purifies it will prosper.
وقد خاب من دساها.
And he who suppresses it will be ruined.
كذبت ثمود بطغواها.
In their presumptuous insolence, the Thamud called the truth a lie.
إذ انبعث أشقاها.
When their arch criminal rose up in rage.
فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها.
Then Allah's messenger warned them, hands off the she-camel and her drink.
فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها.
But they rejected his statement as a lie and hamstrung the she-camel. For that crime their Lord rumbled down upon them, utterly razing them to the ground.
ولا يخاف عقباها.
He has no fear of its sequel.